Sometimes art isn't about perfection. It's about bringing life, movement, and emotion onto a blank canvas. Today, I'm painting a bird using bold colors and expressive brush strokes. This painting focuses on feeling rather than detail. Each stroke is loose, natural, and instinctive. I let the colors guide the form, slowly shaping the bird's body and posture. The warm tones create energy, while the cooler shades add balance and depth. I'm not copying a photo. I'm capturing the personality of the bird. Notice how rough brush marks turn into feathers, and how contrast brings the bird forward from the background. Art like this reminds us that beauty can exist in imperfection. Loose strokes create movement, and layered colors give the painting life. This process is meant to be calming, a moment to slow down and simply enjoy creation. Birds symbolize freedom, awareness, and resilience. As this pheasant takes shape, it feels like it's ready to step right off the canvas. Every painting tells a story, not with words but with color and motion. If this painting helped you relax or feel inspired, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more relaxing and satisfying art videos. Thank you for watching.